Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off completely. This prevents file corruption and electrical shorts. Once off, remove any battery or unplug power. Make sure the device is stable. You should ground yourself by touching metal or using a wrist strap because static can ruin flash memory. Next, locate the SD slot and observe the orientation and latch type, spring-loaded or tray. Now that you see the mechanism, prepare to release the card gently, without forcing, to avoid bending contacts. You now perform the removal. If the slot is spring eject, press the card in gently until it clicks, then let it pop out and grasp the edge. This prevents scraping contacts. If the card sits on a tray or adapter, open the tray fully and slide the card straight out, keeping it level so pins don't bend. For cameras and phones, take off protective housing first and avoid touching the gold contacts. Oils and dirt cause failures. Once free, hold the card by edges to keep it safe. Finally, inspect the card for physical damage or debris. Use compressed air to clear dust because liquids and wipes can harm contacts. Once clean, store the card in a protective case or adapter and label it with date and device to prevent mix-ups later. If the card is stuck, power the device off immediately, then try easing a thin plastic tool under the card edge. Never use metal. If it still won't come free, stop and consult a repair technician to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.